It's devastating back there. It is just unbelievable.
I'm standing there looking around and there is absolutely nothing. And then all of a sudden, that big pine tree, all these leaves came shooting up out of the ground above that pine tree and doing this. That tornado formed right there. Then it came across and did all the damage back here. Then the one at Amazon brought all their goodies over and dropped them on us.
So it was 2 tornadoes.
It just breaks my heart that anyone was even hurt in this mess. Amazon should have closed the warehouse down when they knew the damage, they knew the storms was coming through. They should have shut that warehouse down and sent all those people home.
Back wall of Amazon to here is like 2,600 feet. Oh my gosh, that's way closer than I anticipated.
I said, I wonder if this is Amazon's roof.
It is.
And it is.
It is. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we've got one chunk in the back that must be about at least 20 feet long and maybe 20 feet wide with the girders under it, that it just picked that whole thing off of that roof, took it through, and I mean, you know, look at how far that is from there to the back of our place.
Right.
Just brought that thing back and set her back down there.
Damn. This is amazing just to be this close, man. Oh, okay, I see it. Wow. Oh, yeah.
That tree was thrown in half, ripped from its roof.
Yeah, that came with the wind.
Look at these trees just leaning like that. All of them.
Missing the tops. Wow. All right, thank you, man. Appreciate it. And I'm gonna walk y'all through this so y'all can actually see the path and the track of this tornado. But there's Amazon building right there. And then of course y'all see it came through right here, came across, came over this. This is the water that they said they back here searching. There's the fire department down there searching the water. But look at this tree. When it came across, direct hit. There's that slab of roof, but it hit all of this right here. So yeah, this is something amazing. I'll walk down, give you another view. Well, once again, direct path. This is the tree. Boom, all of this. So it came through. When it came across, and it came through right here. There's the building, there's the opening, There's everything. Some more roof over there, some more roof over there, some more roof right here. So yes, y'all, horrific.